Sony H5. Zoom in, find something, half press the shutter button. Too close. Okay, so all the little green brackets means it found something to focus on. Shutter button, push and turn, it'll rotate about 20 degrees, fingernail under it, pops right out. It's right in there. Check for anything, make sure the little button in the middle is still stuck in. There's a little E-clip in there, make sure that's good. If you buy a replacement button, fixing it is as easy as lining it up, twisting it back so that it's lined up again, half press the button, focus lock. Just like that.